Will Todd and Julie Chrisley be allowed to communicate while imprisoned? Todd and Julie Chrisley are scheduled to report for their jail sentences on January 17, 2023. Julie will serve 7 years, while Todd Chrisley will serve 12. Many people are wondering what will happen to the pair as their prison sentence approaches. More precisely, will they be able to communicate while in prison? We have the answers. Julie Chrisley discusses being apart from Todd. Todd and Julie Chrisley were both found guilty in July 2022 on counts of bank fraud, tax fraud, conspiracy to conduct bank fraud, and conspiracy to defraud the United States. On November 22, 2022, they each received a separate prison sentence. Julie discussed needing to be fully separated from Todd in an episode of the Chrisley Confessions podcast on January 4. She understands that they will have no significant contact while they serve their respective prison sentences. There's a difference between my husband and I being apart for a period of time and having to say goodbye forever, she explained. At the end of the day, Julie Chrisley admits that things could be worse. She noted that Chase Chrisley's fiancé, Emmy Metters, is suffering from heartbreak and loss as a result of her father's ALS diagnosis. I think it puts everything in perspective. I know it helps me put things into perspective. We all think our hard work is the most difficult thing, she remarked. At the same time, Todd and Julie's daughter Savannah has been tasked with keeping the household running while her parents are in prison. Savannah has become the legal guardian of her little brother Grayson as well as her niece, Chloe. Will Todd and Julie Chrisley be able to talk in prison? Right now, the exact locations where Todd and Julie Chrisley will be serving their prison sentences remain unknown. Judge Eleanor Ross made recommendations for each of them, taking some of the family's needs into consideration. The judge suggests that Todd be placed in Federal Correctional Institution in Pensacola, Florida, and Julie Chrisley be placed in FCI Tallahassee, Florida. Ultimately, the Bureau of Prisons will have the final say in where the couple winds up. The BOP also gave In Touch Weekly the specifics on whether or not the couple will be able to remain in contact during their prison sentences. According to the BOP, an inmate may be permitted to correspond with an inmate confined in any other penal or correctional institution if the other inmate is either a member of the immediate family or is a party or witness in a legal action in which both inmates are involved. As a result, the Chrisleys will most likely be able to communicate while incarcerated. However, the degree of their communication abilities is still unknown. In the Chrisley case, an appeal is on the way. Todd and Julie Chrisley's family attorney, Alex Little, has stated that they would file an appeal. According to Little, there were numerous inaccuracies, including official misinformation about how much the couple paid. For the time being, the outcome of the upcoming appeal is unknown. Only time will tell what Todd and Julie Chrisley's future holds.